Hello guys, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. Recently, I traded in a stock called Goldium. Ever since COVID, it has gone up 1300% in 1.5 years. I was able to gain just around 13-14% in more than 2 months. Let me just explain you in detail what happened and where I entered and why no one is talking about this stock. Before that, please make sure to like this video, comment if you have any doubts, and also click that bell icon so that you don't miss any potential analysis stock video. Hello guys, welcome again. So in this video I'm going to explain you the Goldium International stock trade which I took recently in swing trading as a cash. If you look at the history of Goldium International, it's very interesting because right after the COVID downfall, this stock has gained almost 1300%. And no, I did not make money in this, although we could have. Okay, let me just show you this. Look at this breakout. Probably anyone, I didn't come across this stock, guys, to be honest. Look at this. If you just bought it around here, you would be at least some 400 or 500% ROI. After 2021 November, the stock started to consolidate. Okay, this is a very neat consolidation, I would say, given that the stock has been in a good run, almost 1300% in 1.5 years, right? Which is like very huge. It's very funny that no one talks about this stock in the media or in the social media. Always like this, we will never know until it has reached its saturation point. Right now, I came across the stock a couple of months back, and I like the fact that it has been consolidating really nicely. Kind of a triangle pattern was also forming, so I thought I would enter in this breakout. So basically, I posted it here. Okay, in our community. My entry could have been better. I entered here at 145. I kind of allocated around 1 crore, north of 1 crore. No, I will just paste the screenshot here to so that you understand the exact capital. And my stop loss was below this trend line. You can see the alert, right? So after I entered the stock, what happened? The market started to consolidate. Goldium also started to consolidate. So these days were little, given that I allocated around 1 crore, and it was kind of annoying that it started to fall, but I stuck with the stop loss. And I was hoping that, okay, if this is breaking, I will have to exit with a huge loss. Not huge, yeah, whatever I was keeping in my mind, I will have to exit it. So that was my thought process, and probably I should have waited for this place to enter, but the setup looked too good, and even in the weekly time frame, it was forming this candle, right? So which was nice. I like this bullish candle. I thought a similar candle would happen here itself, so my analysis was right, but just that it took a little bit of time. Here is where most of the people would lose money, although this may look like very small price action forming in the past, but it is more than 35 days, 1 month. For 1 month you have to endure the loss, and you have to check it every day where it is going. You have to be okay with the price action and everything. Yeah, the people who were passionate enough to enter here, they did the their ROI is the best. I'll show you who did that in our community. And after that, what happened? It started to break this trend line again. More than a week of consolidation here, took a very good support in the trend line, formed a good candle here with a wick at the top, which was a kind of not so good price action. So the next, but again the momentum was there, and next day it gapped up, some kind of consolidation, and then the momentum picked up the third day. This is a very good momentum, and now the stock is consolidating. It is forming a flag. I wouldn't it's up to you if you want to give it a try, but I generally wouldn't enter in this area. Probably if you want to take a small risk, you can enter here with a small stop loss of 3 rupees or something like that. I wouldn't take a fresh entry here, because in daily I don't see a valid area to put my stop loss. It has to be either here or here. So I'm still holding this trade. I have not exited because I'm still thinking that it has the potential to go up. I may exit at somewhere around this area, probably 180, because there is a wick, but this doesn't concern me much. But given that I have allocated a lot, for me, one some 20% is also okay, or so this would be 26%, right? So this is more than enough for me. Yeah, for 1 month, this kind of profit is, I'm absolutely okay with that, happy with that. I did post this on our community and a lot of people made money. So as I said, it's not that you need options or option buying to make extraordinary returns. You can still invest in cash market. If you select the right stock, you would be able to make good money. Look at this. He invested 12,000 and he made a profit of 4,500. He made 35% return. This is what I said. He is, he has a better average price and he has a better entry than mine. So he kind of outperformed my ROI, which is nice. I'm happy for him. So some people booked 27%, which means he should be having a better entry too. So key fact here is that you just have to constantly work for the right stock. You just have to do the hard work and have the right patience to hold the stock even when the market is, or the stock is not in your favor at the moment. So stick to the plan. If you want to trade stocks like this, you can join our community. This is what we do. We hunt stocks like this, underrated stocks that is not in media or anywhere, stocks that no one talks about. That is what I try to do, and in our community as well. So if you want to join, please consider joining it. Use the code, or the link is in the description. You will be going through a lot of price action videos initially, and you will be a part of the community where we share these potential charts. Okay, so we have traded not only this, there are like tons of stocks that I don't show on YouTube. We trade, probably I'll show in some other video, but for now that would be all. I hope you learned something from this video. Cash is good, cash market is good. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video with patience. See you soon again.